So all headlights are not created equal. I initially bought these off of eBay. I mean, they'd be nice lights, but they don't fit. So you can see the different profiles on those two. And these are the cups that sit inside the front grille. And I got these, and you know, that's pretty much what you're dealing with. So that's, I mean, I could maybe cut the whole thing out or something. Nightmare. So I just, so many things to fix on this car. I didn't feel like going to the nth on these. So I looked and looked and looked, and I found these with this profile that in theory were specifically meant for an easy replacement onto what were the old halogen bulbs, which are shaped much like this. And sure enough, they fit the cups, which is awesome. One thing I had to do is they come with they have a notch that's sitting at 3 o'clock to straight. And of course, the Celica cups didn't have they have a notch at like, what is that, 130. So I had to cut one out to get that to fit. But they fit really nice after that. And then this goes on and locks them in place. And I also like these because they have turn signal with the halo. So I can use these for my turn signal as well. Let's take a look at one that's in the car. So, 4 more to do. And there were lights, but no light. Not yet. It's coming.